How to Shazam on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can Shazam on Snapchat. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So yes, before that make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Snapchat on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. For that, go on the Google Play Store or the App Store. If you're an Android user, you will see a search section right there. Search for the Snapchat, and on the right side if you see any update option available, do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Snapchat and log into your account. After opening and logging into your account, you will now see an interface like this. Now to turn the Shazam on, what you need to do is simply tap on the icon on the screen just like this, and if you're listening to any music, then it will be scanning and the Shazam will be turned on automatically just like that. But also there is a features where you can get the uh, music from. You can just go on the music panel right there and search for it. But if you want to turn the Shazam on, then you can just tap on the screen like this and it will scan it for you, and just like that it's turned on. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.